Is your baby upset, probably struggling with burping or gas issues? In this video, I will be going over how we handle and deal with an upset tummy. Hi, my name is Dancee Pinkston, also known as Fearless Mama, for those of you who don't know me. And I am so excited to share this video with you guys. Collins, my little baby, has tummy issues sometimes, and I thought that this would be helpful to other mamas, new mamas out there, to see how I kind of juggle and handled that. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you know it's going to be great. Okay, so my go-to things when dealing with an upset tummy is definitely bicycles. I just lift little Collins' legs up and, put it in a bicycle motion, and it seems to help adjust the digestive system and get things moving along. And the second thing that goes with that is just rocking her little legs back and forth from right to left to right to left. And that also is really, really helpful with relieving gas pains and tummy issues. Next is the famous tummy time. This can be a really hard thing to do if the baby's tummy is too sensitive. So I like to put her on the bed and kind of play peekaboo with her, and it cheers her right up. Putting that little pressure on your baby's tummy is super, super helpful, and it can, work out any upset tummies, burping issues as they're kicking and moving. And it's obviously really beneficial for the digestive system and strengthening their core. If things are still not calming her down and she's extremely fussy, we turn on the water and get her in a warm bath. And that just seems to settle her and just feel good and something she likes to do. Also, you can put a little Epsom salt in there according to her age, and that should help with the digestive system as well. And if you don't have time to, stick your baby in a bath, if it's too late at night and too much work, we always pop a little warmy stuffed animal in the microwave and set it on her little tummy and just rock her, and it seems to really, really help and comfort her. And lastly, but should probably be the first thing that you do, but it's just kind of an obvious one, is burping. So there is a special way that I like to burp Collins without her spitting up, because sometimes if it's just too forceful or too horizontal, they can end up just spitting up and spit up all their milk, and it just be a big mess. So anyways, you want to put your baby up on your chest, and where your breast is kind of pushing gently on their little tummy, keeping them in an upright position. This allows enough pressure to work that little burp bubble up and out, and without having them throw up or spit up. You do want to make sure to have a burp cloth just in case, and also if you are a daddy or a male, you might want to set her up or him up a little higher and put that pressure on her tummy using your collarbone. So same concept, just a little higher to, get that little pressure. And then you want to just pat up and out to work that burp out. All right, hopefully that was helpful to you guys, and if you have any questions below, please drop them down in the comments below and give me an idea of what you're looking for as it pertains to motherhood struggles, what you're struggling with the most. I would be happy to give you any guidance on that. Well, that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.